Hi Yash, good morning. Please turn on your camera.
एक मिनट sir. 1 minute.
Okay. So introduce yourself.
So good morning, sir. My name is Yashin Shinde. I am from Pune. I have completed my graduation from Pune University in October 2024. I have 2 years of experience in as a SAP S4HANA SAP FICO consultant in modality accounting and advisory. Also, in this career, my responsibilities were to manage ticket management and change management tickets and support and for multiple clients. And I have also done support tickets like setting up company code, GL, APAR, configurations for business, and etc. Also, apart from this, I have knowledge in implementation like landscape structure, data migration, TRICEP objects, etc. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So you told you work upon a support project. So just tell me about the
Yes.
support project.
And so, what type of support project I have done? I have
Yeah,
like
what type of support project, like what kind of the support ticket you are handling, team size, okay?
okay. So in my team there was 4 to 5 members, and the ticket where I have solved that is GL accounts configuration, change in payment terms for ticket change ticket management, and also for that type of ticket I have managed. And for incident management, I have solved authorization role assignment,
Mhm.
and for month
What is
end
your team size you
activity
told?
support, 4 to 5.
4 to 5 consultants in FICO or overall?
Overall.
So how many FICO consultants are there? You are only one consultant.
I was only one consultant, and there was a one associate consultant.
Okay, so what kind of the tickets are coming? Means could you explain with some examples?
Uh, for first, I have solved tickets. In incident tickets, I have solved like user authorization and assignment. Means when the user need to access new GL for assignment. So he have raised the ticket, and then the role assignments was gone through with SU01 T code, where the security team was there.
Okay. How you are monitoring the tickets? Any tool is there?
Yes, sir. Service now, or and also we are using the mail.
Okay, service now is there.
Generally, we were using the mail because it was a means medium size company.
Okay, medium size company.
Service now was there, but we were using mail.
What is the daily volume of the tickets?
It was 4 to 5.
And is there any priorities assigned to tickets?
Uh, yes, sir. It was on time basis. It was based on time. So it was prioritized from PMO. We first provided the ETA for the ticket.
Okay,
Then we have started the work on that.
okay, good.
How much hours it will take
Okay, okay, fine.
in ETA.
Okay, so what landscape structure you are using to solve these tickets? What landscape you are using to solve these tickets?
Landscape structure
Like development, quality, production.
development. Yes, sir. There are 3 servers like development, quality, and production. First, in development server, we have gone through with sandbox server, which was practice server. In that, we were doing the configure. We are doing all types of things for before the configurations. Then, from development, we were moving to golden. It was configuration based, where the consultants were doing the configurations. We were doing the configurations. After that, we have moved from configuration to testing, to doing the testing related to configuration. Besides that, the technical team was also there for do the technical things. After doing the technical teams, it was moved to quality for testing process, for testing like FUT, SIT, UT, UAT. After doing all the testings, it was moved to the production. For in production, it was a go live phase, where the consultants were not available to do any configurations, and the user was having the access.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, do you know transport request?
Yes, sir.
What is the transport request?
Transport request is a carriage which carries data from landscape to landscape or client to client. The T code for it is the T code for transport request is SC09.
Okay. So, in incident management, transport request will create or not?
In incident management,
Yes.
uh, yes, sir. For if we are moving data, then we have to create
So, what is meaning of incident management ticket?
incident management ticket means, sir, where we directly provide the solution
Where?
in production.
So, if you are providing a solution directly in production, so transport request will
No,
create.
no, sir. No, sir. Because we can directly create the solution in the production. If we are using change management, at that time, I think we need the transport request.
Yeah, at that time only transport request will
Yes,
create it. In
yes,
incident
because we are
management,
transferring the
transport
data.
request is not going to create.
Yes, sir.
So, just tell me, suppose a user is executing FB60 transaction and FB60
Okay,
transaction reference field is there. So reference field
okay,
business one required. So this ticket is coming to you. Initially it was
okay.
optional, but it is as per requirement that should be required entry, mandatory entry. So tell me your solution as a support consultant.
Means the reference field is not mandatory, but we need it to be mandatory, to do
Correct.
it mandatory.
How you will make it
So
mandatory?
first, sir, the PMO team will assign the ticket to us. We'll get the notification about the ticket. Then we will identify the ticket. It is which type of ticket is this? Then we'll provide the ETA for that ticket, and after that we'll start work on that. We'll
Then
do
it's
the
crucial.
configuration. Yes, we will do the configuration in the field status, where we can see which type of field we need. Like you said, the reference field we need, it is mandatory. So we have to do the we have to do the configuration in the company code. It is the field mandatory or a request or suppress. There are three types in field status. We'll do this configuration in the field status.
Are you sure it will be achieved through the field status?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the document type control functions? Could you tell me
Document
what are
type
the
control.
document type control functions?
Yes, sir, I don't get your question. Can you please repeat?
What is the document type?
Okay.
I am asking what is the
Document.
document type?
What is a document type? Okay. Document type means it helps to identify the transaction.
So in
Means
AB60,
which type?
which document type is used?
FB60 posting invoices. K KR.
KR will be there. So
Yes.
suppose the reference field we want mandatory. So is it a
Yes.
control function or it is controlled through document type or your field status variant?
Sorry, sir. Please, can you please tell me once again?
Reference field is there. Suppose this
Okay.
problem is as a ticket is coming to you, they want a
Okay.
required field. You are saying it can be achieved through the field status variant.
Yes.
Okay, but that is not
Okay.
true. So that's why I'm asking you. So what is the document type and what are the control functions of document types?
Okay.
So
Uh,
which any thing is there like a which we can control through document type? Means making the required field, making the optional field.
I am not able to recall it, sir, right now.
Okay, just check it. Reference field.
Okay,
Suppose this ticket will come to you. What you will do?
okay,
Okay, and what will be the solution?
okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So suppose you want to create a company code. What are the baseline configurations?
Uh, Company code, creation of company,
Company code. What are the baseline configuration? What are the global settings are there?
fiscal year variant,
Fiscal year variant there.
fiscal year variant, posting period variant, chart of account, credit control area, and field status variant.
Okay. What is the chart of account? How many chart of accounts are there?
For one company code, there are only one chart of accounts.
Okay.
We cannot create the multiple chart of accounts for one company code.
For a second. Okay. So how many chart of accounts can be there? And
One chart of account.
what are the types of chart of account?
I don't recall it, sir.
Okay. So tell me what is a P2P cycle with the accounting
P2P
interest?
procure.
With the accounting interest. Okay.
Okay,
Tell
okay,
me.
okay, okay, sir. Procure to pay. First is purchase requisition. In ME, the T code is ME51N. Then there is purchase order, that is ME21N. Then there is goods receipt, that is inventory account debit to GRIR account. That is the entry for financial. That is the entry, accounting entry. After that, billing and invoicing will be there. In MIGO, in Miro, the entry will be GRIR account debit to inventory, and the last is payment. It is in F-28. Uh, in F-28 for payment. So no, no, sir. It is F110 F110 for automatic payment, and I think F-53 for automatic for manual payment. The entry will be custom vendor account debit to account debit to bank. And for checking the customer account balance, it is vendor account balance, it is FBL1N.
Okay. So tell me accounting entries at the time of good receipt.
Goods receipt,
Hmm.
inventory account debit to GRIR account.
What is the GRIR clearing account?
It is a temporary clearing account at the time of when we are posting the entry, before we are posting the entry, or when the goods we are buying. It is made at that time, it is cleared at the time of clearing the payment.
Correct. So how the GL accounts will come automatically in accounting document?
Uh, can you, sir, please explain it?
See, for example, user is posting good receipt, accounting
Okay,
document to be generated. Okay. And you are
okay,
seeing the accounting entries like a when GRIR clearing account will be credited and inventory account debited something. Okay. So
yes.
some GL accounts are coming. The GL account is entered by the user manually or it is coming automatically.
Uh, it is created manually, but at the
Not
time of
created.
entry, we
Added in a good receipt
added.
manually or coming automatically from somewhere.
Uh, it is created.
Not created, I'm asking. It is
Huh.
created only, but it is coming automatically or someone has entered manually.
It is coming automatically
How
at
it
the
is
time
coming
of doing the
automatically?
entry.
How it is coming
Uh,
automatically?
at the at the time of when we are doing entry, you're asking at that time, right?
Correct. When user is posting good received, how these
Huh.
GL accounts are coming automatically?
Uh,
Okay, fine. Tell me
When
O2C cycle.
which cycle, sir?
O2C cycle.
O2C. Sales order first is sales order creation in VA01. Then it's delivery creation in VL02N. Then is posting goods issue in VL03N. The entry will be done at the posting goods issues is COGS account debit to inventory. Then it is invoicing, that is VF01. The entry will be customer account debit to sales, and the last is receiving payment. It is F-28. In the entry is custom bank account debit to customer, and for checking the account balance, it is FBL5N, customer account balance.
What is the COGS?
COGS goods
Cost of goods sold.
goods
So
cost
how
of
the
goods sold.
how this GL account means this COGS account will be entered manually or it is coming automatically?
It is entered manually, and at the time of entry, we have to select the ledger of the COGS.
Where? During the
In
PGI.
posting before posting the entry, at the time doing the entry, when we are doing the entry at that time in
Have you posted any, have you executed any O2C cycle in system?
O2C cycle. Yes, sir, but I have done the entries of payment and
No, O2C
the
cycle.
invoicing.
Have you posted any O2C cycle?
No, sir.
Okay, means theoretically you are saying,
Yes, sir.
theoretically you are explaining, not practically.
Yes, sir.
So cost of goods sold account, it is entered manually. You mean to say
Okay. Yes, sir.
it is not entered manually, it will come automatically, similar to your good receipt accounts. Okay.
Okay.
And in
Okay.
billing document, what are the accounting entries?
At the time of billing, customer account debit to sales.
What sales? Revenue.
Revenue sales.
Okay, how this revenue account coming? It is also manually entered.
It uh, it is standard in SAP.
So if it is standard and business is saying we don't want standard, then
Then actually, sir, I don't have any
okay, fine. What is the FIMM integration, FISD integration? Any idea?
FISD.
Hmm?
Oh, it is a O2C procedure.
Okay.
Means
What is the automatic payment program?
automatic payment program. First we have to set up payment term. Sorry, payment transaction. Define payment transaction per country for payment setup. 1 minute, sir. Third, for country for payment transaction, set up payment method per company for payment transaction, set up all company code for payment transaction, set up paying company code for payment transaction, set up bank determination, then creation of check lots in FCHI, assign payment method in when vendor master in XK02, and last is payment process, that is F110.
Suppose let's consider APP program is not working. Okay.
Okay.
And user is asking to you as a because you are support consultant, APP program is not working. What are the possible reasons are there APP is not working?
Uh, at the time of doing configuration, if you have not assigned the paying company code or the company code, at that time we can face the issue. Or
What
we
about
have not assigned the vendor master.
okay,
At that time, if the user is doing the entry for APP, And if it is not possible, then if we have not assigned the vendor master, it can be the error for them. It can show the error at the time of selection of vendor.
Okay. Okay. So do you know anything about asset management?
Yes, I know the asset cycle.
Yeah, tell me.
First is define chart of depreciation, then define number ranges for assign chart of depreciation to company code, then define account determination, then define asset class, define number ranges for asset class, assign number ranges to asset class, set up depreciation area, then define depreciation key, then define screen layout for asset master class, then integration with GL, and after that creation of asset master, then asset transaction. For acquisition, the T code is F-90. For depreciation, the T code is AFAB, and that's it. There are two moments: transfer, but I don't remember the T code.
Okay, fine. Do you know anything about a controlling
Controlling.
cost center?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
In controlling part, uh, ma- it is a what we can say. It is based on balance sheet, means it is based on where we do the configurations like cost centers, balance sheet, and P&L. Controlling part is the main backbone of SAP.
Okay. Okay, fine. What are the differences between ECC and S4HANA are there?
So in ECC, there are it is user in ECC and S4HANA. The first is BP. We can create we cannot create BP, means business partner, in ECC, but it is there in S4HANA, and it is user friendly. The third thing is there are migration tools like LSMW. It is primary in ECC but not in S4HANA, because it is there is LTMC. There are many migration tools in for S4HANA. That's it, sir.
Is there any difference in the terms of a GL accounts?
Uh, I'm not able to recall it, sir.
Okay. So you told you have knowledge of implementation also. What is meant by implementation?
Implementation means, sir, when if a non-SAP company wants to, if a non-SAP company wants to take the SAP means as use the SAP software, at that time we do the implementation, and we are the partners, or we are the implementation partners for them when we implement SAP in their company.
Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the implementation project. So do
Yes,
you
sir.
know ASAP methodology, activate methodology?
Uh, SAP and Activate. Yes, sir.
Yeah, activate
SAP
methodology.
method
Activate.
Activate. In Activate methodologies, there is a landscape structure format. In that there are three servers: production, quality, so development, production, quality. In development, there are four clients: the sandbox, golden, testing, and technical. In that, sandbox server is a practice server. In golden, we do all types of configurations. It is done by the consultants. After doing the configuration, it is moved to the testing for doing the testing. And side by side, the technical team is there. Technical team comes in the frame, which do the technical parts. After doing all the technical things and testing, it moves in the quality for doing testings like UAT, SIT, all types of testings. After doing the testing, it is moved to the production where where it is a go phase. It is a go live phase where the consultant is not able to do any configurations or any master data. The user only have the access of the data to do anything, to do entries.
What is the difference between SAP and Activate?
Uh, I don't able to recall it, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, you told LTMC, LSMW.
Yes, sir.
Have you executed LSMW, LTMC,
So I have not executed, but yes, I have a knowledge about that.
LSMW also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just tell me, in data migration templates are there. Means we need to collect data through template. So in
Okay.
LSMW, these templates are provided by standard SAP or not? Same question in LTMC also. Is there any standard templates are there?
Uh, at the time of data migration, right?
Yes.
No, sir. We have to do the means we have to collect the data from SAP to Excel.
Hmm.
Then we have to download the template through SAP. It is then we have to shift the data from Excel to uh, that template, and then we have to do the process.
Okay. Okay, fine. Uh, just explain me a tax procedure configuration.
Okay. Define tax procedure in OBQ3, then assign country for tax calculation in OBBG, then define tax codes in FTXP, and assign tax codes for non-taxable transaction in OBCL, then define tax account in OB40, then assign tax code to GL account in FS00, and the last is posting sales invoice in F-22 with tax, and for purchase with tax is F-43.
Okay. So just tell me what are the financial activities are there? Means like a monthly activity.
End-to-end activity
Yes.
means month closing, error solving, and I don't able to recall it, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Just share your resume, Naukri profile, and LinkedIn profile.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Has you asked me about difference between Activate and ASAP methodology, right?
Correct.
So can you please tell me, sir,
Yes, basically thing is
difference?
that ECC asset methodology was used. Okay. And
Okay,
in S4HANA
okay,
Activate methodology is used. Okay. So main
okay, okay,
difference, we can say the phase names are different. Okay. So that
okay,
is the
okay, okay, sir.
first difference. Second difference is a
Okay,
like a data migration. Okay. In ECC,
okay.
primary tool was
Primary tool,
LSMW. In
LCMW,
S4HANA, primary tool is a LTMC. Another
LTMC,
thing is that in ECC, complete user solutions are given on a SAP GUI. Okay, GUI,
Geo.
graphical
Okay,
user interface.
okay,
In S4 HANA, we are providing the solution on GUI also and in S4 Fury also. Okay,
okay,
so
okay,
new
sir.
screen has been introduced by S4 HANA, that is a Fury screen. So this is the
Okay,
some fundamental differences. Okay, in your
okay,
asset
okay, sir.
methodology and Activate methodology. Okay, share.
It is my working profile, sir.
Okay. Yes, relation the FICO support consultant. Click on
Uh,
upload the professional photo, not like that.
okay,
Click
sir.
on
I'll
view
change it.
profile. 1.8 years. So scroll down. Resume description is
Uh, yes, sir.
resume headline also wrong. Scroll down. Skill set also wrong. Scroll
Yes, I'll
down.
change it.
So before coming personal mock interview, this thing should be prepared.
Okay, sir.
Ideally, model be okay. Show me LinkedIn profile. Yes, in the LinkedIn profile also wrong. Show me resume. Okay, if I say aspirant support because having the 2 years of experience. Try to add your one photo also. Passport size image, okay?
Okay, sir. I'll add it here.
Correct. Knowledge of Fury apps, okay. Change management, fine. So all everything, every line you can justify, right? Every line from your resume
Yes,
you
sir.
can justify. If you are not able to justify, remove it.
Okay,
Scroll
okay.
down. What is preparing the FS and field mapping, filed mapping?
Oh, sorry, sir.
In FICO support consultant, third line is there. What is that? Professional experience.
FS, sir. Okay,
Preparing the FS.
field mapping. FS.
FS means
Um, I think I have to write FSD, but I have written FS.
what is FSD? What is
Functional
means
specific functional specification document. And field mapping means, sir, when we are transferring the data from as a non-AP system to SAP system, at the time we do the field mapping.
okay, but this is the implementation things. Yes, in
Okay,
change
okay,
request
okay,
also you can mention this thing. That is not a problem. Okay, fine.
okay,
But you need to provide proper justification on that. If you are
okay, okay,
mentioning
sir.
here, okay, requirement
Okay.
gathering development. Okay, scroll down. Okay, perfect. Scroll down. Okay, okay, perfect.
Sir, there is one question related to my offer letter. I have shared you the offer letter, but it is not relevant to the FICO. If you
Does not matter. Does
have
not
you
matter.
seen?
Does not matter.
Okay,
If anyone will ask you, Arey, your designation is accountant, so how you can mention your support consultant? Okay.
okay,
So first thing, this question
sir.
nobody will ask you. If anyone is asking you, simply tell them initially I join as accountant, but internally after my they check my FICO knowledge, and in between internally I switch to FICO support consultant.
FICO, yes, sir.
Simple. And that is a confidential things. Nobody will ask.
Okay.
Okay, fine. That correct that Naukri profile, correct that LinkedIn profile. Share
I'll
me Naukri profile,
Yes, sir.
user ID and password, and LinkedIn profile also.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, sir. I'll share that now,
Okay, fine. Bye. Thank you.
sir.